Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reverse colors on the display in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Ease of Access. Click Color Filters. Turn on color filters. Click Inverted. You can also change to grayscale and grayscale inverted. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.